So, good day, sir. We are Group 3 and the members are Lumusad, Marata, Medina, Molina, Pabalinas, Panilag, Paran, Ribaya, Rizaba, and Sabando. So, the topic discussed, enumerate the proper procedure sequence in mooring and unmooring. So, mooring and unmooring operations hide a number of risks for those who get involved, many times leading to a fatal accident or a collision. Thus, it is of a great importance when conducting any mooring operation to follow specific steps to ensure the safety of all those conducting in the operation.
Good day, sir. I'm Decadate Panilag Kent Ryan, and these are the use appropriate lines. A. Choose based on size and operational requirements. Choosing the deal mooring lines depends on local factors such as the weather depth, tidal range, and wave energy, as well as on the material the mooring line are constructed from. The combination of both material and the condition where a vessel is to conduct its mooring operations play a crucial role for the operation to be fruitful. When opting for the mooring line, keep in the mind weight and diameter of the line in comparison to required strength, elasticity of the material, durability including resistance to high temperature, strong sunlight or chemicals, whether the lines will float or not, required maintenance including method and ease of repair. B. Log new lines and know their exact position. When acquiring new mooring lines, it is vital to report them and know their exact position on the vessel. This can be easily achieved by keeping a log in which you may include the position for each line on board, manufacturer date, date of first use on board, and hours under tension.
3. Plan operation. Another step to be taken prior to the beginning of the operation is to exactly plan the procedure, creating a mooring plan based on mooring position, the area, and the environmental conditions. Also, the plan should be clear and the number of the lines that are going to be used in mooring, and the crew in charge of the operation should assess the situation. 4. Toolbox meeting. The toolbox meeting is a crucial step, not to be avoided, as those participating will in detail analyze the plan, the potential challenges, and what mitigation measures will be followed. Moreover, the meeting will provide safety instructions for those who will conduct the operations, so in case of emergency, they will be able to handle the situation and highlight that all mooring area is a snapback hazardous area, meaning that all crew should be extra cautious during mooring.
Hi, my name is Cadet Sabando Once Jerome and I'm a part of the Group 3. So, let me just explain you this execute operation. What is this? Following the preparations, the plans and the alerts on the risk of mooring. The time has come when the crew has to provide the lines to short party. During the operation, it is vital to always have in mind the hazards and provide clear instructions to all parties, so that everyone is aware of their exact place and responsibility. Keep in mind that communication is the key during operations, as all parties should follow orders and be informed during the execution of mooring. In case of an abnormal situation, if something seems out of the plan, the crew members have to report it so that it is rapidly handled and any potential accident is prevented. Sixth, post-operation activities. After the vessel is safely moored and secured in a place, the crew members have to secure all lines, put everything back in place, as housekeeping is essential on board a vessel, and, and then carry out the debriefing of a team. During the debriefing, the safety officer should debrief the crew referring to all stages of execution, as the crew should have regular follow-ups on what they could improve in the operation. The debriefing additionally gives room for additional discussions on safety issues that were detected during mooring operations. Thank you.
Good day, I'm Molina Mariel. The most common mooring method is mooring is a procedure to anchor the ship to a fixed or floating element and keep it connected during loading or unloading operations. Safe mooring must withstand several forces such as wind, the current, the tide, and the waves. We are going to review the most common kinds of mooring, what they consist of, when it advisable to use each one of them. Enter. So 1. Ship-to-ship transfer. Ship-to-ship transfer means mooring two ships in parallel to transfer cargo. During this operation, one of the ships may be anchored or both of them in movement. The procedure consists of an anchor or stop ship being approached by another at the most reduced angle possible. During the approach, the maneuvering ship comes close, seeking a parallel course, reducing the distance until the fenders are in contact.
Hi sir, good morning. I'm Cadet Jake Pabalinas and I am the one who will discuss the single point or single buoy mooring. So this mooring method consists of floating dock or buoy outside the port to handle liquid or gaseous cargo from ships like oil vessels. It is used in ports that do not have specific facilities for this sort of large ship. So this ship is tied to a buoy with the aid of one or two chains which are secured inboard at the end of the prow. This mooring operation requires favorable weather with low waves and wind.
So good day everyone, I am the Cadet Paranlayo Mark M. So I am here to discuss the Baltic mooring. So Baltic mooring, when there is a strong wind at port and a boat must be moored without tugboats to a dock not resistant to impact. Baltic mooring is used, the captain or the pilot use the ship's anchor and onboard cables to reduce this impact, mooring the ships such as its berthed lengthwise to the dock. So next is the Mediterranean mooring. So this consists of mooring the boat in perpendicular to the dock with the pop surface parallel the jetty. So this procedure is used when there is insufficient dock space to moor the boat. So it also used when there is a ramp on the pop connecting to the hull. That's all. Thank you.
Good day, sir. I'm the Cadet John Paul, and this is my report number 3. Conventional or multi-buoy mooring. With this mooring method, the ship's prow is secured with its two anchor, while the pop is secured to a buoy. The berthing position is approached at a 90-degree angle. The starboard anchor is released at a determined location as the ships move forward. When the ship stops, the port side anchor is released, thereby positioning the pop along the central line bifurcating the buoys.
Good day. I am Cadet Marata Christian Ray. I'm here to discuss about the anchor mooring. Anchor mooring, lastly, ships sometimes use the anchor along with the mooring lines to drag the vessel outside the jetty while anchoring or de-anchoring, thus helping to control the speed of lateral movement toward the dock. Of note in this modality, a running mooring which provides greater control over the ship, and standard mooring used during crosswinds, and which takes longer.